sticky, sticky. Like a glue. I added some flour because the dough was sticky. I added some flour because the dough was sticky. Crispy, crispy. Crunchy and firm. The fried chickens are very crispy. The fried chickens are very crispy. Greasy, greasy. Containing or covered with a lot of oil or fat. The chicken fries were so greasy, I felt that. The chicken fries were so greasy, I felt that. Raw, raw. Not cooked, in its natural state. The vegetables are still raw. You have to cook them again. The vegetables are still raw. You have to cook them again. Ripe, ripe. Fully grown and ready to eat. The bananas are ripe on the table. The bananas are ripe on the table. Unripe, unripe. Not fully grown and ready to eat. I bought unripe mangoes from the market. I bought unripe mangoes from the market. Rancid, rancid. Having a bad smell or taste due to being old. The cheese has gone rancid. The cheese has gone rancid. Fizzy, fizzy. Containing bubbles of gas. The energy drink is too fizzy. The energy drink is too fizzy. Sugary, sugary. To something that tastes sweet, like sugar. These pancakes are too sugary for us. These pancakes are too sugary for us. Chewy, chewy. Needing a lot of effort to bite through and swallow. The meat was tasteless and chewy. The meat was tasteless and chewy. Bland, bland. Food or drink that doesn't have much flavor, it's dull or tasteless. I found the food tasteless and bland. I found the food tasteless and bland. Fresh. Fresh. Newly made or not stale. I always buy fresh fruit from the market. I always buy fresh fruit from the market. Stale. Stale. Old and not fresh. This bread is stale. I want new one. This bread is stale. I want new one. Tangy. Tangy. A sharp, strong, and often sour flavor. I don't like tangy sauces. I don't like tangy sauces. Burnt. Burnt. To be hurt, damaged, or destroyed by fire or extreme heat. The turkey was completely burnt. We couldn't eat it. The turkey was completely burnt. We couldn't eat it. Spicy. Spicy. Having the flavor, fragrance, or quality of spice. The food is much spicy than it tastes. The food is much spicy than it tastes. Sour. Sour. Having an acid taste like lemon or vinegar. I ate lemon that was very sour. I ate lemon that was very sour. Salty. Salty. Containing or tasting of salt. I added some salt to make it salty. I added some salt to make it salty. Bitter. Bitter. Having a sharp, pungent taste or smell, not sweet. This drinks is bitter but good for you. This drinks is bitter but good for you. Sweet. Sweet. Having a pleasant taste characteristic of sugar or honey. I am eating a sweet candy. I am eating a sweet candy.